Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun video. It is a Grove unboxing. So something that I noticed that I haven't really discussed with you guys in terms of Grove is why I like it so much. So I talk about Grove all the time, but I don't really tell you my top reasons why I like Grove so much and why I think that it is a better route to go over Target or going in store to Walmart or all the other retailers. So I'm just gonna share with you guys why I like Grove Collaborative so much before I get into the unboxing, because the products sell themselves. But okay, so one of the top reasons I love Grove Collaborative is because they price match. So if you see a sale running at Target, but say you can't really make it out to Target or you just don't want to get out to Target, Grove Collaborative will price match. So all you need to do is add the item into your cart, and you need to send a link to the product that you're trying to price match, and Grove Collaborative will go into your cart and they will adjust the price for you. So they will beat Target's price, they will beat Walmart's price, any advertised price that you want to price match, Grove Collaborative will go ahead and do that. So the second thing that I love about Grove is everything on their site is eco-friendly and natural products. So cleaners, paper products, also, oh gosh, there's so many. Their body products, their toothpaste, everything that they sell on their site is safe for humans, pets, and of course, your children. So I love that because I have 3 kids, I have 2 dogs, and it's my husband and I. So I really can tell a difference between using natural cleaners versus more chemically filled cleaners like Clorox. The last time I cleaned my bathroom with Clorox, it was back in April. It was the day before my birthday, and I cleaned my shower with a Clorox Scentiva foam spray in the shower. The next day I woke up sick, and I was sick on my birthday, and I just felt miserable after that because I breathed in so much of those fumes. So ever since then, I swore I would never use anything like that again. I was not going to use Clorox, I was not going to use Lysol, none of that. So I just go ahead and just pay the extra money and I go for a more natural cleaning product. And what I love about Grove is the referral program. So once you sign up for Grove, you're going to get a referral link of your own that you can share with your friends and family. So that is how you can save additional money on these cleaning products. So I will have a link below. This is not sponsored by Grove, but if you use my link, you will get a free Mrs. Myers set if you are a new customer. So I'll have that referral link below. You don't have to use it, but if you would like to, it's there for you. And something else that I really like about Grove Collaborative is their shipping. Their shipping is like super fast. I placed this order 2 days ago and it's already at my door. And they have flat rate shipping, so anything that you order is gonna be $2.99 shipping no matter what. So that's awesome. And then if you get over a certain amount, it's free shipping. And then they offer free gifts, which I love free gifts too. So if I'm going to get free shipping and free gifts with things I'm already ordering, then it makes it for an even better deal. Okay, so the last thing that I'm gonna mention is how they package their stuff. They package their stuff so amazing. So they put this tape right alongside the spray bottles to prevent any leaking, so it's not going to unscrew in the packaging, and they just do a great job at all of their packaging. So I really appreciate that too. So now let's go ahead and get into the products that I purchased. Okay, so now I'm gonna jump into everything that I picked up. So the first thing is a repeat buy. I purchase this all the time, and this is the Method Wood for Good Daily Clean. So this clean and dust wood surfaces. Go ahead and go potty, Scarlett. So I love this so much, so I was running low, so I definitely didn't want to run out of that. So I got a backup of that, and it's in an almond scent, and it smells so, so good. And then I also picked up the 7th generation disinfecting wipes. So this comes with 35 wipes, and I use this for my, I clean my trash cans with this, and then I also clean the bathroom with this. So I never use rags to clean my bathroom. I always use a throwaway wipe to go ahead and clean my bathroom. So the next thing that I'm gonna go ahead and try out, this is something new to me. I usually get the liquid dishwasher detergent, but I went ahead and picked up some of the dish pods. So this is the 7th generation dish pod. So comes with 45 packs. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that out. And then I picked up my all-time favorite toilet bowl cleaner. This is the Method Anti-Bac toilet bowl cleaner. So I went ahead and picked this up. It is the spearmint scent, so it leaves your toilet smelling minty fresh. You can use this for the toilet bowl, the toilet seat, and under the rim, and I love this so much. I rebuy this actually every single month, so I love it. And then the next thing I picked up is the Mrs. Meyer's fabric softener in the lavender scent, and this is the only thing I use to wash my sheets and my towels. So this is everything that we use for the sheets and the towels, and it's definitely worth it. The scent payoff is amazing, and you definitely will not be disappointed with that. And then I picked up a candle. So this is the Mrs. Meyer's Mum scent. So I had the soy candle in the lavender. I loved it. I had the honeysuckle. I didn't like it. So now I'm going to go ahead and burn the Mum scent. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in my bedroom, and I'm going to see how this works. But for a 1-wick candle, this soy candle really fragrance a room, minus the honeysuckle. The honeysuckle didn't have very good throw. It did not fragrance the room, but the lavender soy candle did. So I have high hopes for that Mum scent. And then the next thing I picked up is a repeat buy for my kids. It's the Hello Natural Watermelon toothpaste. So it's the fluoride-free toothpaste. So I just picked this up because they don't test on animals. There's no artificial sweeteners, no dyes, no sulfates. So I'm all about having my kids use natural products, especially with something that is going into their mouth. And then I picked up the baking soda cream cleanser by Mrs. Meyer's as well. So I use this to clean my sink. I use this to clean my oven and my stove top. This does a fantastic job, so I highly recommend this guy. And then I also picked up, well, this is actually a free gift. It is the Yes to Coconuts Ultra Hydrating 2-in-1 Scrub and Clearing Stick. Wow, it's a long name, cleanser stick. So this was a freebie that they sent. So if you order a certain amount, then they send you a free gift. Okay, so the next thing that I picked up is the microfiber duster refill. So I tried to get the full-on microfiber duster with the wand, but they were completely sold out. So I went ahead and just got the duster refill, and I can go ahead and work with this because I wanted to get myself a duster, and I saw, I think it was either Love Meg or Style Mom XO, one of the two, they hauled this and mentioned it, and I was like, okay, I need this in my life. So I picked that up. And then we were also low on paper products. So I went ahead and just ordered some 7th generation paper towels. So I picked up the 6-pack. So I picked up 2 6-pack paper towels that I place about every single month with Grove. If I see that I am low on like paper products or like trash bags, I'll just go ahead and just for the convenience of it, just add it into my order. Because like I said, the shipping is really quick, and it's a flat $2.99 shipping rate. So with that said, I'm gonna try the 7th generation trash bags one more time. I wasn't a fan of them the first time around, but I am all about giving things 2 chances. So at least 2 or 3 chances before I decide, it's not for me. And then I also picked up a refill of the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day laundry detergent. So I showed you guys the fabric softener, and I have the laundry detergent to pair with it. It is my absolute favorite. The smell is just so calming, and that's what I want when I'm washing my sheets and my towels. I want a very nice calming scent to, yeah, I'm all about the scents here. And then they also have a pack to where you can get a deal if you do the fabric softener and the laundry detergent as like a duo. You save a little bit of money. And then I also picked up a backup of the Method Wood for Good Squirt Plus Mop. I love this stuff. I go through about 1 every single month. I have dogs, I have kids. We are constantly in and out of the house. So literally I will mop my floors with this probably about maybe 2 to 3 times a week because it's important for my kids to not be crawling around and running around on dirty floors. So I am pretty cuckoo when it comes to floor mopping. I'm like Danny Tanner from Full House. Like that's how I am now. And then I also picked up 2 of the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day lavender scented candles. And I picked up 1 for myself, and then I picked up 1 for Jeff for Christmas. So if you're watching this, Jeff, I picked this up for you for Christmas. So this is, if you are at all interested in trying out Grove, I highly recommend it. And I wanted to make sure I went through in this video and share with you guys why I like it so much, because I think in my past videos I've kind of just mentioned it and I haven't really told you why I like it so much. So I've been a customer of Grove for over 6 months now, and I won't buy my cleaners from any other place. So we're talking about cleaning.
Hooray.
Yeah, even my husband likes Grove Collaborative because the house stays clean. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. And don't forget to use that link below if you guys want to get a free Mrs. Meyer's set. It's not a sponsored video, but I do earn credit if you guys order with that link below. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you guys all later. Bye.